First up is the code selection. As you know, the code selection is based on a code builder because, of course, due to the number of variants that you can have for every single family, every single code for the LED strip is bespoke and has to be built depending on what is our application. So instead of showing you every single part of the LED strip, we go through 2 case studies just to make you understand how they work. So one of the case studies could be, for example, a customer wants to install a media wall in their home and they want an RGBW LED strip to change the color during the day or just for for entertainment purpose. And they need a length of around 7 meters. So for this application, because we are talking about residential and a media wall, the best option would be your C-cell, because the C-cell is dot-free. So any kind of reflection on the media wall itself or on the furniture doesn't show any dotting. So it creates a really nice uniform light. And of course, you have an RGBW option and variant inside this range. So let's go and try to build the code step by step. So the first element of the code is the letter of the portfolio. In this case, is C. So the code started with C / for indicating C cell, followed by a 24. 24 indicates the voltage of the range. 90% of our range are 24, so most of the code starts with letter /24, besides the U cell, that is a 48 volt, so it will be U48. The second part of the code defines the power rating. In this case is 18 watts per meter, so it's followed by the number 05, following the code builder on the catalog. Then we'll select the IP rating. We are talking about internal, so IP20 is more than sufficient. So the code will be /20. RGBW is identified by the numbers 04, again, /04 to build the code. Then, because it's RGBW, you have to select the color temperature of that particular W, the particular white cell. In this case, we're going to choose 3000K because it's a warm white and it's a residential application. So /30, so the first 2 numbers of the CCT build the code. Then we're going to have S02, which identifies the length of the reel. The customer wanted 7 meters, so the best option for the customers to buy will be the 10-meter reel, which is identified by S02. And then all our codes finishes with a /01 that indicates just a revision. So in case in the future we're going to change elements of LED strip, that /01 could become /02, and we will avoid the classic issues of batch contamination. So if we put together the entire code, that will be C /24, /05, /20, /04, /30, /S02, /01. So put it all together, that's the code that your customer has to put in their quotation on their order to buy. I can do another example. So a customer, for example, wants to create a perimeter lighting for their main office space. The total perimeter is around 35 meters. So for this type of application, we could use, for example, the H cell, because this is for functional lighting. So we need higher efficiency in output and in performance. So the H cell single white in 4000K is the best option. Build again the product code, just following the code build that it is on the catalog. H will be the first letter, identifying the cell. 24, because it's the 24 volt range, followed by 01. We will select the wattage of 9.6, which is the lower output, perfect for this application. 20 is the IP rating again, is indoor, so IP20 will be more than sufficient. 01 identifies the single white version. Therefore, we have to select what kind of white do we want. So it's going to be 01 followed by the color temperature, in this case 4000K. So we're going to select the first 2 numbers for 0. Because the length is 35 meters, the best option it will be to buy just the 50-meter reels. So we're going to add to the code S05 to select the 50-meter reels. And finally, the revision code, which is /01. Once all the elements are combined, the full code will be H /24, /01, /20, /01/40/S05/01. Another option to build your code, if you don't want to follow the code build that is on the catalog, of course, is to rely on our LED strip calculator that is online. It follows the most sold and the most popular ranges, so you just have to select what kind of application you want, what kind of color temperature, the length, and it automatically gives you the product codes that it will be useful for you. So you don't have to specify every single element by hand, but you just have to follow the steps on the calculator. Of course, if you have any doubt on the code building, we have staff in-house that can help you with. Both the lighting design and the bespoke service team can help you selecting not just the perfect LED strip for your application, but also help you build your code depending on which is your application.